Here's how to quickly find your liked reels on Instagram. So, first, go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device and log into your specific account. Then, after, tap on your profile picture icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. And then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to go to your settings and activity. Now, select your activity from the menu, which is between archive and notifications. Now tap on likes, which is in the top of the screen under the interaction section. You'll see all the posts that you've liked, including the reels. Scroll down to find the reels that you want to watch again. Tap on any reel or any other liked post to view it. Keep in mind that this section displays all of your liked content, including photos, not just reels. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.